Hello everybody and welcome to another Let's Try to Fix It. Today we've got this beautiful Game Boy Micro which I purchased in a bulk lot. So the issue with this one is that it turns on, it works. The charge port however is busted, and if I quickly switch to the microscope. So if we look in the microscope here, you can see just on the right hand side there's a little bit that's broken off. There's a pin there and some plastic for the port. So we're going to have to take the port out and replace it. This will be my first micro that I've ever taken apart, so it's a bit of a new experience for me. But let's get the thing open and see if we can fix it. So the old port is off, but if we have a look at the new port, the pins are all flat like this. So I think we have to bend them up. Can we go inwards? No. Oh, bloody different. That's annoying. Okay, so it looks like we can just bend these up. I'm trying to do it with a spudger. This board out of the way. So we can have a look. A strange design. That's really weird. Let's try a different spudger. Let's see if that'll go on the board. Right, gonna bend them a bit further. It's all very strange. I don't think I've ever had to do that on a device ever. Okay, all lining up. Just about. What are we missing? Port, this pin here, the front got bent, we'll just bend it back. Alright, put on some flux. Just get one of those corners on. And then we can do the rest of the pins. It's definitely one of the strangest ways I've ever had to put a port on before. But we'll clean this up and we'll put it back together and we'll see if it's working. Okay, so console is back together. And it is actually charging. You might just be able to see the select and start button just lit up there. So it is charging. Now, when I put it back together, the little select button actually broke. So it's still illuminated. It's probably quite hard to see there. However, that button is going to need replacing, the actual PCB button, not this plastic button. So that's going to be a challenge to actually find. There's a number of screws missing. Someone's obviously taken this apart before, which I had not realized. So there's even, a lot of the screws are just completely chewed out. So I have to see if I can get a screw kit or something for these, or just order them individually. But at least it was a successful repair, even though there are some things still to repair on it. But yeah, really cool little device. Might just keep this one for my personal collection. Why not? You don't see them every day. And the housing on this one's actually in really good shape. So all in all, still pretty happy. Please stay tuned for more future videos like this. I know my upload schedule has been a bit lackluster as of late, but I'm working on fixing it. I've just been pretty insanely busy. So anyway, thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.